Hey guys, welcome back to Sparkman Homestead. My name is Krista. I am in the middle of editing this week's video. It is going to be an Azure haul video, but I just wanted to come in a little bit and just kind of give you guys a little bit of a I guess some information. We are now in January, or coming upon January. It will be January next week, and so we are going to be participating in the Three Rivers Challenge. This is a pantry challenge that will have us eating strictly out of our pantry for the next 2 months, so January and February. What this means is that I won't be going to the grocery store in these 2 months. Now, when you see this Azure video, I do say that I am going to be ordering from Azure next month. And yes, I definitely am participating in not going to the grocery store, but there are some exceptions that I do have myself with the pantry challenge. I am going to link Jessica over at Three Rivers Homestead. She is the one that actually started this pantry challenge, and she does give kind of a little briefing on what it is and what it means to her. The beauty with the pantry challenge is that it can work for anybody. There are no rules to it. So for example, I don't have a dairy cow. I don't have means of producing dairy myself. And we are a family that consumes dairy. So what I have allowed myself is certain little things that I can purchase well on the pantry challenge. So dairy products are one, like sour cream, butter, milk, all of those things. I say my rule with my pantry challenge is that I'm allowed to purchase those things. Also, if something comes up where we need like a fresh produce, so for example, if I need bananas, I haven't been eating bananas a lot lately because I've really been trying to watch what I'm purchasing at the grocery store, and I've actually read some stuff about bananas, and I'm not sure if I really want to be purchasing them anymore. Anyways, that's a whole nother thing. But if there's something that I need, like fresh produce, then I am going to make the exception with that. And that's part of my rule, that produce and dairy products, I'm going to allow myself the ability to still purchase well on this pantry challenge. The one thing that I do mention at the beginning of this Azure video is that I'm still going to be ordering from Azure next month. And the thing that I am going to be ordering next month is those two things: produce and dairy products. So I will still have an Azure haul next month, because on this pantry challenge, again, those are the rules I've given myself, or those are the exceptions that I have given myself. But I'm so excited to get started with this pantry challenge. I love this time of year. I normally cook everything from my pantry. If you watch my Saturday videos that I put out, it is showing you what we eat from our pantry. So I normally don't go to the grocery store, so it's not going to be too much of a challenge for me, but I love watching other people's videos because I love seeing how people are using stuff that they have put up and preserved, and different type of meal ideas, because I'm always looking for new exciting meal ideas. So just wanted to come in and just tell you guys we are officially going to be starting the pantry challenge next week. I'm so excited. So stay tuned for more pantry challenge videos. It's gonna be great. But now let's get to the Azure haul. I just picked up my December Azure order, so I am going to unbox it with you guys. I'm actually probably gonna bring you down just to show you one of the bigger items that's not in an actual box. I ordered a, 25-pound bag of organic white rice. I was getting low on our rice, so I thought I would get it before we get into the pantry challenge. So let's get the other boxes opened up here. I am probably still going to make a January and February order, even though I am doing the Three Rivers pantry challenge. I just like to keep kind of my pantry stocked up with the essentials, and rice is one of them. So I'm probably still going to do orders during that pantry challenge. So I will have another Azure haul next month. Okay, let's get into it. Woo, everything's falling out. I picked up some potatoes. I ordered 15 pounds, 15 pounds of organic russet potatoes. I just ran out of our potatoes. Unfortunately, I didn't grow any this year. I've tried growing potatoes in the past. I've tried growing them in the ground. I've tried even growing them in grow bags, and it just does not work for me. So I have resorted to ordering potatoes in the winter from Azure Standard. In the summer, I just picked them up from the local Amish. So picked these up. Like all if you are new here, I usually leave, or I always do, I leave the price below so that you guys know how much every item was. If you are interested in them, that's the price for the month of December. Now some things are on sale, so they're not going to be the same price every single month, but these are the prices that I paid for it in December. The other really cool thing about this order is Azure Standard had a sale on where they were giving everybody 15% off for orders over $150. So that was awesome. I got 15% off of this order. So it really helped this month, especially being that we're in Christmas month. I picked up these Red Bin Real Salt. That's the company. But I picked up these toothpaste. It's with activated charcoal. These ones. Sorry about the lighting. The sun is starting to set. So I've got 3 of these boxes. It is always cheaper when you purchase things involved with Azure Standard. So I got 3 of them. I'm excited to try them. I have never tried this toothpaste before, but I have heard really, really good things about it. And it is a 4-ounce package. And I also got some cocoa butter. This is a pure cocoa butter. These are 2-ounce packages or 2-ounce jars. They're plastic. I got 3 of them because they were, again, a discount with the 3. I am planning on making some lip chap with these. Just a couple of other neat little beauty products. I have a recipe for a tallow body lotion and a face cream, so I'm also going to make that. So stay tuned for that video. That's probably going to be coming up after Christmas. And then along the same lines as making my own beauty products, I ordered 100% pure jojoba, I think that's how you say it, oil. And this one I think actually was on sale. It is 8 ounces. It is rock frozen because the truck is a refrigerated truck. So this is frozen solid. And I also got some of this miso paste. We have been wanting to make pho, or pho, I don't know how you say it correctly, but we've been wanting to make it for a while, and one of the recipes I have actually calls for this miso paste. This was on sale this month, so I got this, and I can finally make my soup. And I ordered some more cheese. This is my favorite mozzarella cheese. This is a 6-pound, I think it's 6 pounds. It's either 6 or 5 pounds of a mozzarella cheese. Love, love this cheese. I haven't been able to get cheese for a while. Actually, I've been able to get mozzarella cheese. I just have not been able to get cheddar cheese for a very, very long time. And look what we got this month. Yay! I got some cheddar cheese. This is a smoked cheddar cheese, and again, it's either 5 or 6 ounces. I don't know how much it is, or I don't know what the weight is on it, but I'm excited to try it. I normally like to get them in individual packages because I just find it's easier for me to, because I store my cheese in the freezer. It's just easier for me just to get the little packets out instead of just keeping this whole block in my fridge. But I have found lately with the mozzarella cheese, if I minimally touch it, just kind of take it out, cut what I need off of it, this will actually last me in the fridge. I've had it last for almost 5 months in the fridge without it going bad. So we're gonna try it with this. I'm excited. Actually, this is 5.62 pounds. It does say that it varies weight. So, and this is a smoked one, so I'm excited to try that one. And then another exciting thing that I got this month, which has been really hard to get lately, I got butter. It's been sold out forever. So this month has been really good for getting stuff that I ordered. So I got 6 of them. There might be another one in another box, but I ordered 6 because it's cheaper to get a package of 6. And then something new for me this month, I ordered these. Hopefully it'll zoom in on it. These are a water chestnut. Because we are in the holiday season, I am wanting to make a spinach artichoke dip, and it calls for water chestnut, so I just ordered 1 can of them. Make that treat for the holidays. First box down. is I got some more powdered sugar. I know, and I think I've said this last time I ordered it, it is, you just put it in your blender and you can make your own powdered sugar, but this is so convenient just having this already done for me. So we are gonna go through a lot of it. I have a big baking day planned. It's either tomorrow or the next day. I'm gonna make a whole bunch of Christmas cookies with you guys. So I need that. And then I got some more dried cranberries. These are cane sweetened. Last time I ordered them, I got a apple juice sweetened one, and I just love snacking on them. So I picked these ones up because, again, holiday baking. We'll give those ones a try. And then another thing that I have been also trying to order for months and months and months, and it is continuously out of stock. It's finally back in stock. I want to give these a try. These are instant mashed potatoes. I have heard really good things about them, and I thought these would be perfect during the pantry challenge when we run out of potatoes and I want to have a mashed potato, because I have tried to make mashed potatoes with my canned potatoes and it just does not work out well. So I thought I would get these so that once we run out of these, I have a backup plan for mashed potatoes, because we love our mashed potatoes. And then I got the free sales flyer. I love reading this. And then I ran out of carrots. Oh, this is open. I ran out of carrots, so I picked up a couple of bags of carrots. I think I got, these are 5-pound bags. Doesn't say anywhere. I think these are 5 pounds, so I picked up 10 pounds of carrots. I am going to shred some of these and put them in my freezer, and then I'm also going to dice some and freeze them as well. I like to have fresh carrots on hand. I do love canned carrots, but these come in handy for certain recipes. So I ordered a couple bags of those. A couple weeks ago, we cured some ham hocks. So I'm gonna make some split pea soup. So I picked up a 5-pound bag of these split green peas. I have never made split pea soup before, so I'm excited to try it with our fresh smoked ham hocks. And because we are in the holiday season, I'm doing so much baking and making so many appetizers. I ordered 3 of my favorite sour creams. Normally I only get 2 every month, but we've been going through sour cream a lot lately, so I picked up 3 of these ones. These sour cream, every month I always say they're amazing. And here is my missing butter. So we got 6 of the butters. Okay, the last box. This is gonna be a really, really quick haul video for you guys. It is, I think, 4 o'clock now, and I need to kind of get supper still ready, so it's gonna be a little bit of a quick video. Okay, this one's got a whole bunch of goodies in it. So last month I ordered a strawberry hibiscus, I think it was strawberry hibiscus sparkling water. They are very, very, very comparable to that Waterloo brand of sparkling water. They are delicious. So delicious. So I decided this month to give this black cherry lime a flavor. Somebody at my drop actually ordered a case of it. I didn't know that you could get a case, so I think I'm gonna do that next month because I really, really enjoy that water. It is delicious. And I got another sales flyer. And then I got a little bit of stocking stuffers here. Hopefully I can get this video out before Christmas, maybe after Christmas, I don't know. I picked up some different lip balms. I am planning on making some lip balms, but I wanted these cases of them. So I got 3 of these. These ones are a raspberry vanilla. Let's just give them a smell and see what they smell like. Smell really, really good. And then I got a grapefruit and ginger. And And then the last one I got is a root beer. So I thought my son would appreciate the root beer one, and me and my daughter are going to get the raspberry ones. And then I got my husband Steven the grapefruit and ginger one. Asked him which one he liked, and he thought he would like that one the most. So these are gonna go into those. And the other one is a gift, and I don't want to actually take it out. I'm gonna keep it in there. So that is it for this month. It wasn't a big haul, but it really helped being that I got that 15% off, especially when it came to ordering my rice. I was actually gonna try to hold off and get my rice next month, but with that sale, I jumped in and got it this month. So it was a little bit of a shorter video. I didn't get a super amount this month. I was just kind of getting stuff just to get us through the holiday season and just like a couple little treats for us. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you have a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.